Hello, it's William from Weber's in Barnstaple, and today I have a signature home which is beautifully presented throughout, with panoramic views to sit back and enjoy. This is Anau, a 4-bedroom detached home on the outskirts of Barnstaple here in Bratton Fleming. Come in and take a look around. The home offers spacious living with a dual aspect lounge complemented by a wood-burning stove and opening doors onto the decking. The open plan kitchen diner is the hub of the home for me, with modern appliances, breakfast bar and that all-important view over the garden and beyond. Upstairs we have 4 good-sized bedrooms with the master benefiting from an ensuite. To the front of the property is a large double garage and solar panels fitted on top. This is truly a unique home and not one to be missed. If you'd like to know a little more or book a viewing, please give Weber's Barnstaple a call on the number below and we'll be delighted to talk further. Thank you.